Hey, happy Thursday morning. So the big Federal Reserve meeting's behind us. We had that yesterday. Fed comes out and says it's going to remain accommodative at least until 2023, which means they're going to allow inflation to rise. They want to see that job picture improve, so unemployment come down, and they'll continue to support this economy until we see that happen. So again, lower rates. Now, that said, we saw the dollar get leaned on yesterday as a result of that news. We also saw Treasury yields, like the 10-year Treasury, come down off highs off that news. Now, in the overnight session, we've seen things reverse once again, seeing Treasury yields trade up above 1.7% in the 10-year, and we're seeing that dollar firm back up with that rise in yields, especially against the euro, against the yen, and against the Swiss franc. Now, there's a big Bank of England meeting today. The British pound, as a result, trading flat right now. We should have their rate policy coming out here shortly. Otherwise, equity markets very quiet right now heading into the open. The big news today are more company-specific type things. Google's pumping a lot of money into the American economy, going to create 10,000 plus jobs. And the tax deadline, which typically comes up middle of April, has been extended once again to the middle of May. Check that out to see how that may impact your taxes. All right, folks, let's go get some today. I'll check in with you tomorrow.